Hey friends, if you cannot restore documents folder to default location of C drive, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows, current version, Explorer and user shell folders. Now in the right pane you will notice a lot of options, but you won't notice documents because the documents folder is called personal. So open the personal folder and this is the path. Now I'll explain the path to you. If you don't find it, then you can simply use this path: percentage user profile percentage / documents. Okay. Otherwise, I'll show you with the original path. The part where it's mentioned as game in is the username of my system, and rest everything remains the same. C drive users, the name of the what do we say, system, and then OneDrive and documents. Or if you're confused, just copy paste this option here and click on OK and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.